Welcome back. The license to the controversial project at Valpoi has been revoked by the Panchayat. A special meet was called on Friday to discuss the issue. Locals of Valpoi have accused their Sarpanch Maria Fernandez of making false statements.
त्या दिसा सरपंचान न्यूजार सांगले की आपल्याच्यान बेस्तो प्लॅन पास करपा जायना बॉडी मिटिंगे घालपा जाय आपण घातलेलो ना म्हण दिस इज फॉल्स हे सारकें रॉंग ते गेलें आज तेंच्यांनी तो रिवोक केला जरी तर पासू केलो ना जाल्यार रिवोक कितको कोतायचें आतां रिवोक करपा स्पेशल मिटींग आपण रिवोक केस केलो हो मुगे पयलो प्रश्न सरपंचा ते लोकांक फट सांगून हे भाशेन फटयता ते सारकें न्हू आनी अशें करपा जायना तेज्यान.
The license to the project has been revoked.
फायल एप्रूव केलो न्हू तेजे डिस्कस केलो आमी ती आमकां ताका दाखयता ती रिजेक्ट केली म्हणून आज मिटींग घेवन रेजोल्यूशन घेवन ती रिजेक्ट केल्या परतून
कितू प्रोजेक्ट आसलो
फ्लॅट एक प्लॉटाक 3 मरे ती आनी एकार 3 आनी एकार 9 रेजिडेंटल हावस एका बांगलो आनी एक विलाज 9 आहा
सो तिनी फायल रिजेक्ट केले.
The controversial project is proposed to be a housing project with 3 residential plots, bungalows and 9 villas. Few days back, the locals had geared the Sarpanch and demanded revocation of the license to the project. Reporter Samir Bhatt for Prudent.
Madgaon police arrested Subhash Shetty, a native of Mangalore, at TV railway station for stealing a shoulder bag. Bag belonged to an employee of an engineering company. It contained a laptop, mobile phone, SIM cards, pen drives and other electronic gadgets. Police apprehended Subhash Shetty while he was suspiciously loitering at TV railway station.
We have arrested one person, Subhash Shetty, who is native of Mangalore, for committing theft of one shoulder bag belonging to one passenger, Mr. Praveen Kumar Singh, who was proceeding from Margaon to Thivim. And this accused person committed theft during this journey. And our police constable Mithun Naik and Mahesh Gadi, who were patrolling at Thivim railway station, found this person suspiciously moving with one bag. So they apprehended and we could attach one laptop, one mobile and SIM cards, pen drive, data cards belonging to the passenger. The passenger came down from Kudal to this police station to lodge a complaint, and our police had already apprehended this accused person. So we have registered offence under section 379 and we will be seeking remand tomorrow.
Rainfall in the state has crossed half-century mark and touched 55 inches. Valpoi has recorded maximum rainfall. Met Department predicts heavy rain showers in the state for the next 48 hours. The department has also warned the fishermen not to venture into the sea.
Today actually all over Goa there was heavy to very heavy rain. During last 24 hours almost all centers in Goa have recorded heavy rainfall, and at Valpoi very heavy rainfall has been recorded during last 24 hours. As a Panjim record today, till today at 8:30 morning, 135 centimeter rainfall has been recorded from 1st of June. So this is above normal as far as our normals are concerned. And during next 24 hours also some heavy to very heavy rains will be there. After that some intensity will reduce.
In R.K. Madgaon, people fear that heavy rain shower and gusty winds may get the dead cotton tree down. Tree is posing a threat to almost 20 to 25 houses. Locals claim that 33 kV electricity line leading to Madgaon will also be damaged. They want the authorities to act before any untoward incident.
आमचे सकली सावरी झाडां सावरी झाडां मोठे झाडां एकदम हांवें ते झाड एकदम मेलां आनी ते उबे तशें उबेच आसा. हांवें हाका लागून डेप्युटी कलेक्टर बी सगळ्यांक सांगलें की तुम्ही ते हे करा म्हणून झाड मारा. ऍप्लिकेशन लेटर सुद्धा केले हांवें डेप्युटी कलेक्टराक झाड मारा. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंटाक सांगले वचून इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंटा आमकां लागना म्हणटा हें मारपाक झाड. आनी हे झाडाचे पोंदा 33 kV लायन गेल्ली आहा जी आख्खी मडगांव सप्लाय जाता लायन ताका. आनी हे तर बंद हे जायत जाल्यार सकयल 20-25 फॅमिली आसा घरां आसा. सपोज ते मोडत आनी ते 33 kVचेर पडत जाल्यार खूबशे नुकसाण जातलें हांगा.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.